Question as I mentioned before, that Tusitala was some very world-class sporting venues and facilities. So, however, many of these remain unused or underused. Having hosted Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games, and also other major events. And my question is to you, Honourable Minister, are there any lessons Australia can pass on to us for more efficient use of these resources?
Well, I think I'm always reluctant to tell other countries how to operate. I think our relationships are founded in respect for your sovereignty. But I think one of the lessons I've seen as someone in Australia is when you have world-class facilities that might be developed for an Olympics in our case, or a Pacific Games, and I've seen some of your infrastructure that was driven by the Pacific Games, finding creative ways to use them is great, and not just for elite. I think meeting school kids out there is a great way of seeing infrastructure still used as a grounding place. So I just encourage use of those facilities, particularly by school kids. It's not just great for them to enjoy sports, but it's great lessons about life and discipline. That's why one of the great programs Pacific Oz Sports produces is things like Team Up, which is about grassroots sports. So I think our support through the Pacific Oz Sports and your infrastructure is a marriage made in heaven. Well, unfortunately, I have to return home before the game. We had to change the schedule, otherwise I was intent on staying and watching the game. I'm hesitant to make a prediction because politicians making sports predictions generally get it wrong, but I'm hoping Moana Pacifica get their first win for the season. I'll make the point, they were very smart, they've come in early. The Queensland Reds only arrived today, so I'm hoping the home field advantages really get you over the line. And I note that you've come very close in a lot of matches, and it's that final 15 minutes of conditioning that maybe might have let you down. So hopefully home field advantage gets you there tomorrow, and that goes on. The Super Pacific competition is richer for having Moana Pacifica and Fijiana in the Drua teams in their competition, and we need to make sure that those teams succeed because you're the birthplace and heart of Pacific rugby. And quite frankly, I want Samoan players to be playing for Manu Samoa as much as they then get poached to play for the Wallabies or the All Blacks. We want strong Samoan rugby teams so that, quite frankly, you're beating the Wallabies again and beating the All Blacks and showing the pride of the Pacific. Excellent. Thank you very much.